Yes, we know the conflict between Israel and Iran has escalated rapidly in the past few days. What started as a small strike has now turned into a situation involving multiple countries in the Middle East, and there are growing concerns it could become a large regional conflict. Uh, Tensions between Iran and Israel have existed for many years, and key reasons include influence in the Middle East, Iran's nuclear program, and Iran supporting armed groups in the region like Hezbollah in Lebanon and Houthis in Yemen. Israel has repeatedly warned that Iran poses a major threat to its security, while Iran accuses Israel of carrying out repeated attacks on its interests. In recent days, reports indicate heavy strikes inside Tehran. Iran has responded by launching missiles and drones targeting areas with Israel or US interests in the region. This escalation has raised concerns about the stability of the entire region, and countries that may be involved. Analysts or political analysts warn that if the conflict continues, other countries could become directly or indirectly involved. Countries closely monitoring the situation include the United States of America and Gulf countries, Lebanon and Syria. Many of these countries have military bases or political interests in the region, making them potentially affected. So if we look at closely or deeply regional impact, if this war escalates further, several issues may arise. Number one, security. The Middle East is already volatile. A large-scale war could further destabilize the region. And number two, economy. The region produces a significant portion of the world's oil. Any large conflict could dramatically raise the global oil prices. We have seen now the fuel price, the price of the fuel has gone, up dramatically. So it is soaring, skyrocketing. And number three is humanitarian crisis. Okay, so wars cause refugees, civilian casualties, and shortage of basic necessities. So the key question is here: could this become a full-scale war? Many asking whether this conflict will spread across the entire region. Some experts have neither side wants. Some experts believe that neither side wants a full-scale war due to potential massive losses. However, if attacks and retaliations continue, there is a risk that the situation could spiral out of control. So we need to look at the role of international community. Global powers and international organizations are trying to de-escalate tensions. So there have been multiple calls for halt to attacks and the start of political negotiations. This is because of major conflict in the Middle East could affect the entire world. So the situation between Iran and Israel is extremely sensitive and could change rapidly. So without a political solution, the conflict could escalate, but international pressure and dialogue may prevent it from turning into a full-scale war. So will this conflict escalate into full-scale war, or will a political solution appear? That's the question many people are asking now themselves. So nobody knows really, and nobody has an answer for that question. Okay, so remains to be seen where this ends, but nobody can predict where this war ends. Okay, but it seems now it will continue for weeks and even months to come, in the months to come. So remains to be seen where this ends. Yeah, thank you for having me.